This is an absolutely stunning handcrafted pocket knife. It comes in this beautiful wooden box so that you can display this. You can store it really nicely in this beautiful box. Sorry, that was very loud. A beautiful wooden box, and it also comes with a case. It is a pocket knife, so this case is awesome for keeping it like on your tool belt. Maybe you're going hiking and you want to make sure that you have a knife with you. This thing is awesome. So the little pocket thing, it's got a clip on the back as well, so you can just hook this into your belt or your tool belt, whatever. But let's check out the knife. So cool. So if we open this bad boy up, absolutely stunning. Beautifully handcrafted. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's got this silver, obviously, for the knife, and then white, almost like bone. I'm not sure if it's real bone. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It is razor sharp. Honestly, this thing is so sharp. So definitely be careful. But it is, like I said, quality made. And to fold it, I didn't know this until just before. You simply just push down on the end here and fold this up. Make sure your fingers are out of the way. Fold it on up like so, and to pull it out, it's got this little, I guess, little indent here, so you can use your fingernails to pull that all the way out. Absolutely stunning. Perfect to hold in your hands. Feels really nice. So cute. The absolute perfect pocket knife. Perfect pocket knife. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. It's well made. Ooh, and I just cut myself doing that. Good job, Emma. As you can tell, it is nice and sharp. So definitely check that one out if you are after a nice, sharp, well-made pocket knife.